Hi, Rimas and friends. It's Leslie and Marion.
Guess what day it is today?
Box opening day again.
Again and again.
So we're going to go ahead and open the boxes. We don't really know what we have in here. We'll see.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Christmas.
Oh, I like the sound of box too. We have some gnomes in a truck. Little trucky gnomes. All right, let me get them a little bit better. Okay.
Santa gnome bowl.
Aww.
Ooh.
This is beautiful Ukraine blue and yellow. Ooh, pretty, pretty purples. Ooh. Stunning, the blue and yellows.
Oh. Crash. Whoa. My fabric.
Oh, this is the checkers that we ordered last year.
Yeah. Thank you for sending it a year later. Bugs and kisses.
Oh, let me put that one back up a little longer. This lady's like the longer ones.
And at last, Valentine's in time for next year. Thank you very much. That's it.
All right, that is it for today. And you know, we had a sale today from $8 a yard for certain fabrics. We decided we're going to do that for the rest of the week. So through Saturday, the fabrics that are on sale will be through Saturday.
Selected bolts. We need to make space for more fabric coming in. And we're looking at expanding. Wait and see what's happening. Because I don't think doubling in size is going to be big enough the way I'm ordering. So we might have to go at least triple the size.
Have a great week.
Bye.
We'll see you soon. Bye.